Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi has warned against turning peace efforts into business deals. Speaking in Nairobi at an Intergovernmental Authority on Development conference, Mudavadi said mediation is losing its true purpose. Mudavadi called for African-led solutions to conflicts, especially in the Horn of Africa.
I want to agree that some scholars now in diplomacy are saying that peace has been privatized. Perhaps even commercialized. Because it's about transactions. It's no longer about humanity. It's no longer about lives. So we ask ourselves, when you go to mediation, are you going there as a business negotiator? Are you going there as an arbitrator of transactions? Or are you going there genuinely as a mediator to see peace in the countries that are facing conflict?